Hey everyone, my name is Nick and welcome to my new YouTube video about Telegram. And today I would like to show you how to change the folder icon in Telegram. So it's pretty easy, let's get started. The first thing you have to do is open Telegram. And now let's try to create a new folder in Telegram. So click on the three bars at the top left and now click on settings. In this list, let's find folders and click on it. Okay, and right up here you can create new folder. Just click on this button and now name your folder, for example 123. Here you can add chats, and to change the icon of the folder, hover your mouse here. Okay, and now select the new icon. For example, let's select this one, just click on it, and after that we can click on create at the very bottom. Click on it. Now close this window, and on the left side you can see the new folder with a different icon. So guys, that's how you can change a folder icon in Telegram. If this video was helpful for you, subscribe to my channel and like. I wish you a very good day. Bye bye.